Dikhlaja Season 7 is back with a bang, and here are the 13 celebrity contestants showing their dancing moves. This season has come up with various new elements. Let's know it from the judges.
We've seen a lot of new dance forms on Jhalak in the previous seasons. And I think there was a certain kind of element of us watching our words, watching what we say, being very careful and mincing our words sometimes, and not really sometimes, projecting what we really feel. But because the competition is so tremendous and the contestants are so, I think well versed in dance, even if they're not really dancers, they've been in the entertainment business. The idea is to up the game in every which way. So there will be a certain level of, for the lack of a better word, rigidness and strictness in our judgment. So I think it's not about the dance form, it's about really kind of being very vigilant about what we say, and that will be projected in our scores as well. So I think this time round, besides the dose of glamour, celebrity, upping the scale in dance, it's also upping the scale of judgment.
और फिर contestants के लिए सब कुछ difficult करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुछ आगे भी plan किया है, twists and turns. जैसे suddenly, can I? Yeah. So we will take one choreographer who is with that artist for maybe 10-15 episodes and then change him around. तो वो choreographer हम किसी और को दे देंगे, किसी और का उनको, तो comfort zone से बाहर हो जाएंगे. So in that way, we are going to keep challenging them.
I would say the journey of even a non-dancer, and I think they take into account. For example, Drashti was a TV artist and an actress, but she wasn't a dancer quintessentially. She grew from strength to strength, and I think the voting public definitely took her journey into account, and she was winner. And that same can be said about Gurmeet, and same can be said about many other winners, like Chang. I mean, when Chang was a singer, and he was the final winner. So I think the journey is also very integral.
Chang was also one of the ones who astounded us, the judges, with his growth, because this competition is over 3 months, and to progress that much in 3 months, and you are standing against someone who's learned for years, that also makes a lot of difference.
It's a BBC Worldwide format, and we have a production team and a creative team that works with the Colors team to produce the show.
We hope, like every season, this season will also be a hit. Ruchika Singh, Neha Sawant with cameraman Babaji, Interforums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Moni Roy and you're watching me on India Forums, and please subscribe to WhatsApp TV. Thank you very much.